Hi guys, my name is Khofifah Indri Puspita Sari. Now I'm going to talk about my journal summary by the title The Influence of Deposit Fee and Late Fine on Customer Satisfaction of BSI Gunung Tua Gold Pound. Let's begin my journal summary with the abstract summary. This study aims to understand the effect of safekeeping fee ujro and fines for late payment of gold bond product on customer satisfaction at Bank Syariah Indonesia BSI KJP Gunung Tua. From the result of the study, it was concluded that together with the cost of safekeeping ujro and the late payment fines for gold pound product, they have an effect and and are partial to gold pound customer satisfaction. And next, introduction. The object of the research this study aims to understand the effect of safekeeping fees, ujro, and fines for late payment of gold pound product on customer satisfaction at Bank Syariah Indonesia (BSI KJP Gunung Tua). The problem of the research: how to understand the effect of safekeeping fees, ujro, and fines for late payment of gold pound product on customer satisfaction at Bank Syariah Indonesia (KJP Gunung Tua). And next, method of the research. In this study, field research was used through a quantitative approach, data taken from primary data and secondary data. The research location is Bank Syariah Indonesia BSI Gunung Tua, which is located at Jalan Singamang Raja, number 234 Padang Bulak North Padang Lawas, North Sumatra provinces. The population in this study is 1,811 customers. Sampling was carried out when people were met by chance and were recorded as customers of the BSI Gunung Tua Gold Pound. Data collection. Data collection techniques are using questionnaire, documentation, and interview. Processing techniques are data analysis with validity test, reliability test, classic assumption test, and hypothesis test. And next, finding and discussion. A. The effect of custody fees ujro on gold pound customer satisfaction at Bank Syariah Indonesia (KJP Gunung Tua). From the result of the partial test, the cost of safekeeping ujro has a count of 1.986, a table of 3.156, this count more table 3.156 more 1986, so that is accepted. So it was concluded that the cost of safekeeping has an influence on customer satisfaction in gold pound at Bank Syariah Indonesia KJP Gunung Tua. Custody fees ujro, which means wage custody fees, can be estimated after the gold pound are calculated by the bank. The cost of deposited Bank Syariah Indonesia (KJP Gunung Tua) is in accordance with Islamic law, which is permitted in Islamic voluntary with a maslahah value. B. The effect of late fines on gold pound customer satisfaction at Bank Syariah Indonesia (KJP Gunung Tua). The variable of late fine has a count of 4.18687, a table value of 1.986, so that the count more table 3.567 more 1.986, so is accepted. So it was concluded that late fines had an influence on customer satisfaction in gold pound at BSI KJP Gunung Tua. When from late repayment are as a punishment with the obligation to pay a certain amount because they have violated the relevant rules. The provisions for fines set in form of monetary fines. The amount of the fine determinant is accordance with the deposit fee (ujrah) for the acquisitions of a compound product loan. This is considered good by customer because through its existence of fines, compound customer can still make compound transaction at BSI KJP Gunung Tua. This is fine system is considered cheaper and better than other institutions such as Penggadaian. C. The effect of custody fees, ujrah, and fines for late payment of compound product on customer satisfaction of Compound Bank Syariah Indonesia (KJP Gunung Tua. Simulation, it was concluded that there was an influence between the variable of safekeeping fees and late fees on customer satisfaction of the compound shop BSI KJP Gunung Tua, namely with the value of fee count more fee table 42.020 more 3.10, then he was accepted. It was concluded that the cost of safekeeping and fines for late repayment of pawn products gold has influence on customer satisfaction. In Gold Pound and Bank Syariah Indonesia (KJP Gunung Tua), customer satisfaction is the main key to creating customer loyalty. When the customer is satisfied with the prescribed safekeeping fees and late fees, the customer will have a tendency to return to the service again in the future. And next conclusion. First, the cost of storing pawn goods has an influence on customer satisfaction as evidenced by the value of T count SAM 2.841. The table says 1.986, thus more 2.841 more 1.986, so that has is accepted and or is rejected. Second, late fees have a partial effect on customer satisfaction at Bank Syariah Indonesia (KJP Gunung Tua), as evidenced by the equation of T count same 4.187, T table same 1.986, thus 4.187 1.987, so accepted and rejected. Third, custody fees and fines for late payment of compound product together have influence on customer satisfaction in gold pound at Bank Syariah Indonesia (KJP Gunung Tua).